Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your account on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button, and that will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged into your account, you'll find this will come back sentence with your name or your username, and you will not even need your account because you will have already your account. If you are not logged into your account, you'll find at the top right corner sign in options instead of all those icons. And if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create an account. And if you don't have one, of course, you'll be able to do all those two options with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So of course, as we said on the beginning of the video, if you are like you don't have an account, you want to recover it, you forgot the password or anything like that, simply let me just go and open a private tab to show you the steps. So here we are here. Now I'm just gonna type etsy.com and hit the enter button, and as I said, you'll find the sign in option here at the top right corner. Click on it, and as you can see now, all I need to do just hit the forgot password option. So here they will tell you to enter your email address and they will send you a link to reset your password. So simply just enter it and click at submit. And then all you need to do, just go and check your email. So let me just do that and I'm coming back. And as you can see, they actually send me here a link. If I click on it, I'll be able to enter my new password and of course confirm it, then set the new password and my account will be recovered. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this video and goodbye.